Hi there! Join me today for a 10-minute daily stretch. The routine is a series of basic Qigong exercises that can help you work on your flexibility and balance. But before we begin, if you like Qigong and want to grow your practice, check out my membership site. You can join me live every Sunday on Zoom, watch all the popular YouTube videos advertising free, and get full access to the exclusive membership content. Let's begin today's practice. Stand up straight, unlock your knees, and relax your whole body. We begin with a hip rotation. Keep the movement slow and enjoyable, slowly building up the range. Change the direction. Slow down the movement and return to straight spine. Next, rotate your shoulders. If you can, try to do a good range of motion to stretch all the muscles and tendons on the shoulders. Change the direction. Our hips and shoulders are two important energy junctions that connect the limbs to the torso, allowing blood and qi to circulate better. Take a moment to relax here. Then gently warm up your spine. This movement is called a spinal wave. It will help to loosen up the muscles of the back and make it more supple. Listen to your body and keep things gentle. The more you can relax, the better you feel. Slow it down and relax for a moment. Then interlace your fingers to stretch upwards, focusing here on lengthening through the front of the body and the neck. Release the position and relax. Go ahead and repeat, create a nice straight line at the front of your body. Then relax your neck and shoulders to soften. Then raise your hands overhead to stretch and decompress the spine. Slowly come up on your toes to test your balance. Then relax your entire body. One more time. Release and soften your entire body. Next, go ahead and do side stretches. This is a good way to stretch the muscles of the rib cage that often get tight and restrict our breathing. One more time on each side. Then turn to the back to swing your torso. This exercise helps to open and loosen up all the muscles in your torso that connect to the hips. One more time on each side. Come back to center and relax. Go ahead and gently stretch upwards one more time. Release and soften your entire body. From here, bend forward to lengthen the muscles of the back. Use your hands for support and keep your back nice and flat. Stand up, unlock your knees and relax. Repeat one more time. This exercise helps to stretch and strengthen the muscles of the back and make it stronger. Stand up and relax here. Go forward again and gently turn your neck to the side. Make sure your entire back remains straight. Bring your attention to the back of the neck. Twice more on each side. Then slowly stand up. Take a moment to notice how you feel, especially your neck and upper back. From here, we move down to leg stretches. Go ahead and grab yourself by the ankle to stretch the front of the thigh. Keep your knees closer together for a deeper stretch. If you're feeling good, you can gently open your chest and look up. Do the same with the other leg. Shake it off to loosen up. Then go ahead and grab your ankle with both hands. Pull upwards to the chest to open the hips. If this is too much, pull your leg up closer to the chest to the best of your ability. Repeat the same on the other side. Good job. Relax both legs down. And gently knock on your hips, top of the glutes, the hip bones, the sides of the legs. This helps to release any muscle tension and encourage circulation. Then gently bounce into your feet to loosen up the joints and relax the rest of the body. Very good. Take a moment to notice how your body feels after all those stretches. And finish by taking a nice deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth, relaxing your entire body. Repeat 6 times. Focus your attention on your breath, taking deep, full breath into your lungs. Then exhale softly. Allow your whole body to relax. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Guide your hands to your lower belly and take a moment to focus and concentrate on yourself. Settle the mind by focusing on the sensations inside your body. And if you feel good, smile to yourself and finish your practice. Thank you for joining me. I wish you a good day, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.